Hey, what's up guys? Welcome into the channel. This is a special video that we are going to do today because your boy Paul is jumping into the mechanical keyboard game. I don't know much about mechanical keyboards, but I decided to go ahead and take a leap, see what all this is about. So I'm going to be doing the unboxing of my first mechanical keyboard, and that is going to be the IQUNIX F96. So this bad boy came in the mail for me the other day. Let me show it to you. There it is, guys. So we're gonna do some live unboxing, give you my initial thoughts. This is the IQUNIX F96, and I got the Coral C version. So as I unbox that, we'll get into a little bit more details. If this is your first time into the channel, I'm your boy Paul, and on this channel we talk about all the tools, books, and resources that are available to help you skill up and improve your brand, improve your life and your business. And one of the ways that you can do that is by having the cool tools and gadgets, right? So this is the first gadget that we're gonna review here on the channel. I'm excited to get into the thick of it. Let me go ahead and flip my camera over and so we can take a look at what's in the box. All right, so here you go, guys. This is now on the table. We're gonna go ahead and get unboxing this, rip this open. I'm excited to see what I got and do this unboxing for you. So just a little bit of context on this. As I'm opening it up to take a look, as I mentioned, I am new to the mechanical keyboard game, so I am not going to be the expert on all the types of various switches. But number one, I was getting a little tired of my boring keyboard that I had before. I was looking at a way to kind of spruce up my workspace a little bit and try something new and try to see what this craze is all about with mechanical keyboards. So let me get into this for you, and we'll kind of go over the details. Now, there's a couple of things particularly that I was looking for with the mechanical keyboards and why I chose this one, which we're gonna. So right away you can see, look, coming out. Ooh, this baby has some weight to it. Ooh, nicely packaged. Look at that bubble wrap. Ooh, this is nice. Look at that, IQUNIX. Woo, this is a nice box, guys. This is a nice package. Let me go ahead and open that. Yes, baby. Oh, look, it even has the protective top here, some little foam on the top to protect your keyboard. They got a plastic case on the top of it, so that you can pop that baby off. Under the plastic case is some more wrapping. Oh my God, this is heavy. This got some heft to it. Wow. All right, so let's set that aside. Let's see what else is in here. So we have the IQUNIX stickers, right? Of course, you're going to have your product specifications. And then you have here, what is this here? This is the, the user's guide. Information about it, precautions. You have your standard. Look how this is so more foam kind of here on the inside to protect the case. So well packaged, guys. It came. It took over a week to get here, and so here must be all the goodies. Let's see what's going on. Let's lay these out here on the table. All right. So right here, some additional keys. So you can switch. It is compatible for both Mac and PCs, so you can swap out the keys. This here, from what I understand, is okay. So this is the dongle, because what I got is I got one that is wired and wireless, and it can be wirelessly connected by both either Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. It was very important that it works on Wi-Fi because I don't know, I just don't like the Bluetooth connectivity. I find there's just a little too much latency for me when I'm using the Bluetooth. So let's have a look and see here. All right, so this here is this is the brush. You clean that keyboard just like that there. Very nice. Well packaged. I mean, it's professional. I'm impressed. This here, of course, is your little thing to take off the keys when you want to change it. And here you have, this would be the cord, I suppose. Yep, it's your braided USB cable. I'm a little disappointed with the braided cable because on some of the other IQUNIX keyboards that I saw, they came with a color that matched the keyboard. This is just black, but it is braided. It is USB connection, so I'll probably use this. I have a lot of things that charge with the, I have the Logitech mouse that charges with the USB cable as well. So very nice. So we can just, take this off, obviously. And take a look at the length of it. It's pretty long. This is pretty longer than any cord I ever got with any iPhone, that's for sure. So this is what, maybe about a 6-foot cord. Definitely enough room to give you some flexibility if you want to move it around on your desk space. But let's take a look at the beauty of it. All right, so this is very heavy. Listen to that thunk. That's a very heavy keyboard. This is a aluminum case. So I am impressed with that. So a couple of things here with this keyboard. This is nice. I'm loving the look of it already. So a couple of key deciding factors to go into why I purchased this particular model. Number one, just look how nice that looks. Look how nice that looks with my gray desk mat. That is going to add a nice bit of class here to my desktop. It does have the aluminum case. Couple of key factors. It is a 96% layout. I definitely need to have the numpad. For whatever reason, I do a lot of numbers at work, a lot of formulas, a lot of phone calls through the keyboard. And so I need to have the numpad. And so it was hard for me to find one that had the numpad that didn't take up too much space. So fantastic. I like the look, the orange, the blue, the white. So very cool. This one does not have the RGB lighting, no backlight. I don't really need the backlight, so it's not important to me. For most time when I'm at my desk, I'm able to type because I have a light on, so I don't need the backlight. But they do have the options where you can get it with the backlight. It is an extra $20 more, but I decided to go without it. This is coming with the Cherry MX silver switches. That's the only one that they had available in stock at the time. I'm not going to fuss too much about the type of switches for now. I'm going to get in there, see what I like about it. But the key to me was this here, the fact that it connects by both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. You can also connect up to 3 devices, which again was a real important consideration for me because I do have a personal laptop that I use, and then I have a laptop that I use for work. I work from home, and so I don't want to have to swap out every time I'm switching from work to home. I like to have it connected automatically so I can just keep one keyboard and work across both spaces. It has the seamless switching between the devices. And so yeah, overall a very nice first impression. I would say this is very heavy. If you look at the back, you can see this is the F96. This does have the pre-tilt to it. I'm going to have to get used to it a little bit to see whether I like the angle of it and how it works for my typing. Let's give you a quick little typing so you can hear the sounds of it. Guys, I am not a fast typer. I am actually trying to improve my typing. So if you follow my YouTube channel, if you want to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, you'll be notified as I come out with new videos. I'll be posting some regular updates on my journey to improve my typing speed. I'm averaging about 40 words per minute right now. I just started on this journey about a week ago. So if you're curious to how that works out for me, go ahead and make sure you hit subscribe and follow along my journey. So I'm not concerned about the clickiness. I'm not concerned about the sound so much, but I know those that are enthusiasts of the mechanical keyboards, that is a huge thing. So, guys, at first impressions, I'm really liking this keyboard. It is heavy, it feels solid, it feels like it's very good quality. It has all the features I'm looking for. It has the aluminum keyboard. It can work wired or wirelessly, and the switch for that is right here on the back. You can switch between wired and wirelessly. I prefer to go wirelessly. I don't like to have a whole lot of cords. I like my space nice and open. So not only does it do it wirelessly, it does connect up to 3 devices, and you can use either Bluetooth or the Wi-Fi. It comes with the USB cable, so you can use it wired, and it helps me with the other devices that I have that's wired. It has the extra keys. It has your gadget to remove your keys when you want to. Here are the extra keys. And again, a nice little touch with the brush. So those are my first impressions. I'm going to get it set up. I'm going to try it out for a little while. I will go ahead and post an update as to what I feel about this after I have a chance to use it for a little while. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're looking for a great mechanical keyboard of high quality, I would recommend the IQUNIX F96. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased this keyboard with my own money, but there will be a link in the description to take you to the website so you can purchase it. They do have other keyboards with different styles and different layouts, different options. I may take a look at some of those in the future, but for now, guys, this is what I got. I am excited. So thanks for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to get updates as I try out this mechanical keyboard. Take a trip with me on my journey to learn how to improve my typing speed. And if you want to really follow me along on my journey, everything that I'm doing, all of my fears, all of my failures, all of my successes, the best way to do that is to subscribe to my weekly newsletter. The link will be down below in the description. I'm going to let you go. Thanks for watching. This is your boy Paul, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys.